Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use frames for presentations in Miro. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to Miro.com. From your dashboard, locate the board you want to work on and click it to open. Once your board is open, look at the left-hand side of the screen where all your tools and features are displayed. Among these tools is the Frame tool, which is essential for creating presentation frames in Miro. Click on it and then choose the type of frame that suits the style of presentation you want to create. After selecting your frame, simply drag and drop it onto your board. Frames in Miro function very much like slides in a traditional presentation tool. They let you divide your content into organized sections. After arranging all your content inside your frames, you're ready to switch to presentation mode. Look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click the Present button. Your frames will now display as a clean slide-style presentation. To navigate through your presentation, simply use the arrow keys on your keyboard, allowing you to move forward or backward smoothly and maintain complete control over the flow of your presentation. And that's it. So that is how you can use frames for presentations in Miro. So that's all for this video. Thanks.